As a Thompson Rivers University student, you are eligible to use BorderPass, an immigration management platform that is meant for you to support you for any of your applications that you're looking to acquire while in Canada, and to support you with any legal related inquiries and much more. BorderPass is an immigration management platform that was designed to make it as easy as possible for you to determine and make sure that you're eligible for applications, to make sure that you can use our platform to make it as easy as possible to see what documents are required and how to upload those documents. And at the very end, a Canadian immigration lawyer at BorderPass will review all of your documents, give you feedback, and submit your application to Canada's government, IRCC, on your behalf. There is no additional cost for using BorderPass for your applications. Through our partnership with Thompson Rivers University, your applications are free and accessible in that you only pay the IRCC fees for your study permits and your work permits, study permit extensions, and more. We also offer PR planning and support because here at BorderPass, we want to support you throughout your entire journey. Many of you that will work with us will be working with us to get your study permits, and hopefully once you get an approval, we'll be able to support you in working and getting your postgraduate work permit. These applications are covered by Thompson Rivers University, and you only pay the IRCC fees for those applications. And we also want to help you after you graduate and after you get your postgraduate work permit with permanent residence planning, express entry, and all of the opportunities that come with living in Canada. In BorderPass, you can go to our website, and from there you'll be able to sign up. As a Thompson Rivers University student, you'll be able to go through and submit your application details related to your registration. So we'll ask you for your student number, your name, your phone number, your password, confirm it, and you'll be able to sign up from there. Once you input those details and click on Get Started, you'll be able to see this introduction screen for you at BorderPass. As I mentioned, we do support students with their study permits, their study permit extensions, applying for a work permit, PR, visitor visas if necessary if you want to help family come see your graduation. We also help with those. And in the event of a refusal, we also support students with judicial review. You can go ahead and click Explore BorderPass. And you can see on the left-hand side, there are a variety of tools for you to explore. In applications, you'll be able to see all the different types of themes of applications we support for: studying, working, settlement, visitor visa, support and services with your application. And by clicking into each one, you can see all of the applications that are relevant to you. If you're applying for a study permit, you'd be able to click on Apply for a Study Permit. And then from there, we would ask you some questions about your study permit application. Whether you're working with an agent, questions about your immigration history, education, and things of that nature. And for all of our applications, we ask these questions. The purpose is we want to make it as easy as possible for you to know if you're eligible, to make sure we're getting all of your information and making it as easy as possible for you to submit a high quality application. And then from there, you could go in, submit your documents, and a lawyer will be able to review all of your documents, give you any feedback, and submit your application to IRCC on your behalf. So in addition to study permits, we do help with study permit extensions, co-op work permit, and any other applications related to your initial study permit in Canada. We also support with working in Canada, so postgraduate work permit, co-op work permit, and other applications there. And so from there, you can select which application makes sense for you, and you can go through a questionnaire, answer all the questions, and make sure you're uploading these documents. Remember, the fees you pay to BorderPass are the same fees you pay to IRCC. There are no additional charges for you to use BorderPass for your study permit and work permits and study permit extensions because BorderPass has partnered with Thompson Rivers University. You can also use our document vault to store all of your documents throughout your time at TRU and after TRU as well. So uploading your letter of acceptance, your passport, your permits, any other information that you might find valuable, you'll be able to track them and know that they're here in BorderPass, and you'll be able to refer to them as you need to throughout your journey. As you file different applications, they'll appear here as well. As I mentioned, we also support you with express entry. So if you already are at Thompson Rivers University and are graduating soon, you can get a free CRS score estimate. So you do need a score for express entry and permanent residency. These are some of the additional tools that we offer through our partnership with TRU to you as a student to think further about your time in Canada. We also have some offers and benefits for you. So if you haven't opened a bank account yet or like a preferred rate, you can create an account with us there. We also have phone deals and language test result deals as well in the event that you want to explore any of these under offers and benefits. In the event you want to meet with a lawyer, meeting with a Canadian immigration lawyer can cost hundreds and hundreds of dollars for very little time. Through TRU's partnership with BorderPass, you can meet directly with our legal team, see a time that's available in their calendar, and for $80 plus tax, you can meet with them to talk about anything and everything related to your application, related to your immigration history, and just get that legal support that you need in a time where you can meet with a lawyer for significantly cheaper than if you were not to meet with them through our partnership with BorderPass and TRU. In addition to that, we also have resources for you for using BorderPass, so videos on how to apply for certain work permits and webinars that we have coming up. You could also check our careers slide to see the opportunity to generate a resume based on documents that you add. And you can also, under resources and under careers rather, go to jobs. You can also search for available jobs pulled directly from the Canadian Government Job Bank to make it as easy as possible for you to support you throughout your entire journey here at BorderPass. And if you have any questions about using BorderPass or the platform, you can use a little chatbot in the bottom right corner, and you'll be able to ask any questions or request that a support ticket be created so that you can connect with a member of our support team. And you might be thinking, this is a great service for you, and why should you use BorderPass? You see on the right-hand side here, you can see some of the countries that we get applicants from: Ghana, Cameroon, Kenya, Nepal, etc. In the red here, this is the average application approval rate for applicants from these countries. So you can see Ghana's average approval rate is 12% based on data we have from IRCC across all of Canada. Those that use BorderPass and attend some of our universities like Thompson Rivers, we saw that they had an average approval rate of 45%. Similarly, in India, the average approval rate for Indian applicants to any university or any college or university in Canada was 25%. But with BorderPass, attending one of our partner universities, like Thompson Rivers, our approval rate was around 58%. Through BorderPass, you have a significantly higher chance of submitting a stronger application through our platform and some of the technology used to submit a stronger application, and it's reviewed by a Canadian immigration lawyer as well. So using BorderPass could lead to a higher chance of approval, and you can see it from some of these countries here. If you have any questions at all, you can reach out to us in the little chatbot in the bottom right corner, and we hope that you use BorderPass for all of your application needs.